It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when we get closer. I feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless.
Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing a serious deep clean and organize of my refrigerator. We're going to be restocking food, and then I'm going to be doing some evening cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Something romantic. Don't break my heart. Do you remember? Don't break my heart. Something romantic.
So while I'm taking everything out of the fridge, I am checking expiration dates and just picking items that we have not used in a long time, so there's no point in holding on to them. It's usually the items that I purchased for us to try out and we just didn't enjoy them, so we're getting rid of those as well. We are going to start off with wiping down the shelves with a hot soapy microfiber cloth, and then we will dive into cleaning out the drawers, which I will show you guys how gross they were.
It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when we get closer. I feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless. Something romantic when you are under the weather. Something romantic. Don't break my heart. Do you remember? Don't break my heart. Something romantic. Don't break my heart.
So I was really excited about organizing today because I did pick up a few new organizers from Amazon, and I'm really excited to share with you guys those new items, and I will link them down below just in case you're interested in looking to organize your own fridge. What's really cool about them is you can also use these same organizers for other places in your house.
Strangers again. When you stepped into my life.
So we do have extra eggs. I accidentally bought an extra carton of eggs. I do order on the Fry's app, so I guess I had 2 in the cart and I didn't see it until I picked it up, which is fine because we do eat a lot of eggs. We try and get our protein in and make like egg muffins and breakfast and cook with them, so it works out just fine. Also, how's the prices of eggs where you are? Here, they were like 2 something, maybe $3 6 months ago, and now they're well over $7. It's insane.
We'll never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. Strangers like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. And look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're part strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Like strangers again.
Till I wake up, phone rings, but I stayed up. You're probably doing makeup. You and me, we were made for the breakup.
Okay, so these are some of my newer containers. There are 2 different packs. What I'm doing with the basil is just washing it, and then I wrap it in a damp paper towel to keep it fresh. And then the chives, I'm just leaving the chives like that. Some of my fruit I wash, some of the fruit I don't. I don't wash my grapes anymore. I feel like they went bad fast when I did that. So we just take some out, put it in a bowl when we want to eat it, and then wash them before we eat them. And then these containers are the eye design on Amazon. I love them. They are such good quality and very pretty for storing food. I'll make sure to link those down below as well.
Late night, closed eyes, like I'm looking at your face. Oh my, no shade, but can you please just let me pray?
And then this is a 14 pack of new plastic containers that I also picked up from Amazon. They do not look like the photo on Amazon at all. So if you do end up checking them out, please refer to my video on how they really look before you purchase. Just don't want you guys to be let down if you go and hit the link, look at their picture, purchase them, and they don't look like the picture. So just remember they look like this here.
You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go, let go, let go. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm trying to learn to let go, let go, let go.
So now we're done with the refrigerator. Everything looks nice and organized. I will make sure to link the organizers down below. And then in the drawers, I went ahead and just threw all of the meats in here and switched it on to the meats cooling. and organize that the best I can. But I'm probably going to get some more organizers for that bottom drawer there that will fit some of those things in there. In here where I just kind of made a second level in this small drawer with that container. And so then I have the bottom part and then the top part. And then for now, I just threw this stuff in there. I do want to get a few more organizers. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and dive into the evening cleaning. And then we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the downstairs clean.
Just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make.
Now we're going to go ahead and clean the sink. I am just going to use my Dawn dish soap today, and then this sponge that I like to use for my sink. I like to make sure it is clean after I do the dishes. I don't like to keep any food or anything in there because it smells, and I am very sensitive to smells, so I'd like to have it nice and clean and shiny at the end of the night.
About you all the time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
So I take my trash out every night. So right now I'm taking out the trash and then also all of the recycle. And then we're gonna finish off the video with vacuuming the downstairs. We're not gonna get into mopping tonight. Just a quick vacuum, getting up any dog hair or food crumbs or anything like that from the day. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Also, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.